Hi guys, welcome to IndianExpress.com. Another week in the house. We had the captaincy task and the Malgadi task combined. The contestants got an opportunity to win back their winning amount, which they lost. Swami Om returned in the house. I have with me Arushi, who will tell us more about it.
So let's start with what happened in the Malgadi task, and the contestants of the house have once again got a chance to increase their prize money, which already stooped down to some 15 lakhs only. And I think it is a big thing for commoners rather than the celebrities, because we saw Bani talking again and again. She was saying that I don't care how much is the prize money. Why will she care? She's getting paid for weekly, and in comparison to the commoners.
Absolutely.
So, but the commoners look very much concerned about the prize money, and they put in their best efforts to get back the lost prize money. And the first one to move out of that prison was Bani, because she was not concerned. And then Swami Om returned in the house. And let's not forget what claims he had to make in the house.
You will tell us more about the task. What was it about? Like, there was a train setup we saw, and there were jailers and all.
So Rohan and Mona Lisa were the jailers, and they had to make sure that they have to keep the prisoners inside the prison till the time they wish to, because if they walk out of the prison at their will, they'll lose that amount of money from the winning prize money. But if they come out on their will, they'll become the captaincy contender, and yes, the prize money will again be lost to 15 lakhs only.
Apart from that, we saw Swami Om returning to the house. He came with some very, very funny and very typical of him take on what is happening outside the world. He came with a lot of garlands. He said that मैं तो बहुत बड़ा celebrity हूँ, and people are keeping my picture in temple and all.
And that was the funniest thing. He said that people are worshipping me, and he was like, people are waiting for me with the garland. They are just going gaga over me. Like, there's an extent of flying, and he has crossed that extent already. So
I don't think there is any extent left to Swami Om.
Exactly.
Apart from that, we also saw that Manu was talking something about Manveer behind his back, about Manveer and Swami's friendship. So
but this is not the first time that Manoj Punjabi is talking ill about Manveer. He has already talked, and even Manveer's father, when he came in the house, he warned Manveer that be cautious about what Manu is doing. And we saw that Manu raised question on Manveer's friendship, on his captaincy. He said that in this house people are only making friends for convenience, and now at this stage of the game, they are not concerned who is their friend, or even if they're left alone, they don't care. So,
we also saw that Lopa and Nitibha were talking about how Bani is getting close to Rohan now that Gaurav is out of the house, and she definitely needs a friend and a support. So if there's another friendship of convenience in the house, or anything genuine, but we are also seeing that Nitibha is trying to bond with celebrities. What do you have to say?
I think Lopamudra is a little bit insecure about Rohan and Bani's friendship. And Nitibha, earlier in the episode, she was seeing that she's very comfortable staying alone in the house too. But later she was going to Manveer, she was going to Manu, that yes, this is all what is happening, and why are you like cornering me? So we saw Nitibha is trying her best to stay in the limelight in the house.
So the Malgadi task will continue even in today's episode. We'll see Swami Om getting back to his nasty behavior, trying to disrupt the task. There will be some physical mishandling through some umbrella thing will happen, and then he will end up bleeding, cutting his finger. He will make a hue and cry about it. कि इन्होंने मेरा खून निकाला and all. Manu and Nitibha will be caught in that entire thing. So let's see what happens, and stay tuned. Keep watching IndianExpress.com.